Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Burgers. What a popular dish during the summertime. Quick and easy and so tasty, they're definitely a true comfort food. I've shared many of my recipes with you, like Mexican burgers, blue cheese burgers, Italian burgers, California burgers, and many more. Now, here's another one to add to this mouth-watering list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Hawaiian Teriyaki Burgers. They are so good. There's a beautiful mix of ingredients that gives these burgers an incredible flavor. With pineapple, along with my famous teriyaki sauce, this recipe is certainly a must-try this season. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large mixing bowl, we'll add ground beef, panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, some ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. With our clean hands, we'll mix the ingredients until well distributed. Then we'll split the ground beef mixture into 2 pieces. One will be smaller than the other. Now we'll take the biggest one and divide it into 3 equal pieces. These will become the patties we'll put the stuffing in. Next, we'll make an indentation in the center using either a burger press, the bottom of a small measuring cup, or a glass. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion per patty. The same, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped pineapple per. Followed by grated cheese, a tablespoon as well. We'll season with a little freshly ground black pepper before adding this incredible ingredient, teriyaki sauce. To get this famous recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. Next, with the remaining ground beef, we formed 3 patties as well. So now we'll place each of them on top of our stuffed patties and shape them into a burger, making sure the edges are well sealed so all the yumminess stays inside, just like I'm doing here. There. Then we'll place them in a large plate. I always put mine in a pie plate. What can I say? It's an old habit. And we'll cover with plastic wrap before transferring them to the fridge for at least 1 hour. About 15 minutes before we take the burgers out of the fridge, we'll make our topping sauce. In a small bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce and some Miracle Whip. Can you use mayo? Of course, but in my opinion, it's better with Miracle Whip. So we'll stir the ingredients very well until the mixture gets smooth. We'll set aside until needed. When time is up, we'll remove the burgers from the fridge, take the plastic wrap off, and let them get to room temperature, about 30 minutes. That way, they'll cook better and more uniformly. All right, half an hour later, let's move on to the barbecue. We'll place them on the grates, close the lid, and grill them between 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 7 minutes before flipping them. We'll cook the burgers for an additional 6 to 7 minutes as well. We'll baste the patties generously with the remaining teriyaki sauce. Come on, it's a teriyaki burger after all. We'll also place the pineapple rings on the barbecue before closing the lid. 3 minutes later, we'll flip the rings and let them cook until the burgers are ready. Also, 3 minutes before time is up, we'll place the hamburger buns on the top rack to toast, and of course, we'll close the lid. About 2 minutes before everything is done, we'll place the cheese on each patty, close the lid again,
and let them melt nicely. To assemble the burgers, we'll place a patty on the hamburger bun, followed by a pineapple ring, and then we'll top generously with our delicious teriyaki Miracle Whip sauce. And that's it. We're done. And my friends, these are our Hawaiian Teriyaki Burgers. This recipe is incredibly flavorful. With amazing ingredients, this mouth-watering burger will definitely satisfy your taste buds. It's a comfort food you just have to make this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!